So recently, Google released a new update that allow you to change your username or your Gmail account user ID without any stress. And I'm going to show you how you can get it done in a simple step. Unfortunately, this new features is not available across the globe, but if your country is available, you can see how you can easily change your Gmail username or your Gmail account user ID. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and open up my Chrome browser right here. After opening up my Chrome browser, I'm going to come to Google search or type right here. Then I'll go ahead and type in change Gmail username and hit enter. Then it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to show more. Then here you go. As of April 2026, Gmail allow US users to change their username part before at gmail.com and once every 12 months without losing data. Change it via settings, personal info, email, Google account email. The old address remain as an alias for receiving email. So you can scroll down right here and read further key details as far as this is concerned. Availability. This feature is currently rolling out primarily to users in the USA. Frequency. You can change your username only once every 12 months. About the old email address. Your previous address becomes an alternative email or alias, meaning you will still receive emails sent to the old address. Sign in. You can continue to use your old email address to sign into your Google account. Then the limitations. You cannot change your email address if you use a work or school or organization account. Then step to change your email address on your phone or computer. Visit Google account email setting page. Sign in if prompted. Select personal email. Select personal info, the email. Click on Google account email. Select change Google account email. Enter the new desired user, just like so, and you are done. So let's take a look at a few tutorial video about it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Change your Google account username in few steps. It's going to take me right here. So I'm going to expand. So let's take a look at this particular short video tutorial step by step on how you can eventually change your username if you are in United States right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to play the video.
Good news. Google is rolling out a way to change your Google account username without starting over. For users in the US, go to your Google account settings and tap personal info. Tap email, then Google account email. If you see the change Google account email option, tap it and pick a new and unique username. Don't worry about your old emails. Your original address will stay on your account as an alternate. Just remember, you can only create one new address every 12 months. Be sure to check your settings and see if the update has hit your account.
It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google updates like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.